In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best matcha powder. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 7. Ippodo Matcha. Matcha can be sorted into 3 grades: ceremonial, premium, and culinary. And though it can be expensive, ceremonial grade matcha is what most of our experts recommended drinking, straight up. Chef Justin Iso, a Japanese confectionery chef and avid matcha drinker since childhood, says that the matcha from Kyoto-based Ippodo is best for first-time drinkers, in part because of its long history, which dates back to the 1700s. The quality is consistent, tin to tin, and it's not too bitter. The most popular matcha among his beginner, non-tea-loving friends is Sayaka, whose flavors Iso describes as balanced with just a touch of bitterness and medium body. Number 6. MATCHABAR Ceremonial Grade. Though MATCHABAR is a hallmark, its ceremonial grade matcha is actually very good for beginners. When I first was learning to make it myself, and I am still not very good at all, I feel like I screwed up a lot. With this, it still tasted good, says strategist writer Chloe Anello. And even if matcha turns out to not be your cup of tea, Chloe also notes that it's a nice option for experimenting, like in baking or in smoothies, thanks to the lower price point. Number 5. KENKO Ceremonial Grade. When Young isn't drinking breakaway matcha, she drinks KENKO Ceremonial Grade, which is zippy and fresh, not bitter at all, and works in any application, be it tea, smoothies, or lattes. Sometimes, if I'm feeling wild, I stir a spoonful of matcha into my oatmeal, Young says. It's like eating a pale green bog. Number 4. Premium Organic Matcha Green Tea. I'm originally from Kyoto, and my grandparents have their own pottery business, which goes hand in hand with leading tea ceremonies, says designer and stylist Yuri Tachi, who splits her time between Tokyo and New York City. When I'm in New York, my mom sends me organic matcha grown in Kagoshima, which is known for their matcha production. Tachi recommends the organic, ceremonial grade tin above, which is sourced from Kagoshima. The traditional way is to add hot water to a couple scoops of the powder and whisk it rapidly. As Grandpa says, it's all in the wrist, until it's foamy, she explains. It's 100% green tea, which is usually pretty bitter, but it's not as bitter as other ones I've had. It's super rich but balances out sugary sweets, so you don't feel like a solid cube of sugar if you drink it after dessert. Number 3. Encha Ceremonial Organic Matcha. Actor Kristen Bell of The Good Place, a daily matcha drinker, told us that she's tried a lot of brands, but this organic matcha powder from Encha is the very best. It's sourced from the Uji Mountains of Kyoto, one of Japan's largest green tea distributors, and, according to the brand, it has a frothy and full-bodied texture and a subtle, sweet vegetal taste. Number 2. Maeda Shiki Matcha Green Tea. Kourtney Kardashian told us back in 2019 that she has a matcha latte pretty much every day, which she makes with this Japanese matcha powder from Maeda. When mixed with almond milk and maple syrup, it makes the best matcha latte I've ever had in my life. She added, "Whenever I have a friend over and we're hanging out, I love to make matcha lattes, especially in the summer. Number 1. HARU Matcha Pesticide-Free. Mori told us that handmade bamboo tea whisks, unlike machine-made ones, are best for making foam, since they're able to dance in the hot water. Tachi sticks to bamboo whisks for preparing her matcha as well, replacing them whenever the bristles start to break. She likes this one, which is made in Japan from pesticide-free bamboo.